fuel control levers.
There.
Wing flaps.
Up.
AC and aux heater. Off. Off.
And I need to get the
Engine start check. 28 volt confirmed.
Hang on. 28 volts. I've not started.
24 volts, sorry.
Yeah.
I'm thinking
Nick, have you got a paper and thing there? Because we need to get this I want 706.88. I need logs.
Okay.
Okay.
706.88.
88.
Oh, okay. Propellers clear.
Yes.
Fuel boost pumps
Fuel boost pump.
on. Which engine you're starting?
On the right hand side.
Okay. Start switch on. Check the ignition light follows.
On.
Looking for 12%.
And we have 18. And we'll get my fuels in.
Okay. Starter switch off at 52.
Start it off. Up to 60. The gen on, it'll come on.
Bring the gen on and put that, bring it up.
Gen's on.
Alright, not the way to do it, but anyway. It does say specifically get it to 68, then generator on.
Now should my fuel pump not go off on that right hand side gateway?
Well, that's because you've got the auxiliary fuel pump on at the moment. You leave it on at the meantime. Just get the other engine going, sure.
Okay.
Okay, you ready to start the other engine?
Yeah. Yes.
Starter switch.
Right, to get the fuel pump on first.
Yep.
On.
Yep, aux pump's on, start.
There's 20.
Feather, avionics on. So we're looking for before tanks, it's going to be pressurization at the source, electric main all off. Fuel boost pumps, they can come off now if you like. Keep going, fuel control heaters.